Dancing birds from heaven. This is a bird of paradise, originating from the dense forests of Papua, Indonesia, and its beauty makes many people not believe that it is real. It dances for hours without stopping, spinning, jumping, shaking its feathers like a magician. Its purpose is none other than to attract the attention of its mate. In addition to having beautiful feathers, they also have voices that are no less beautiful. But unfortunately, this heavenly dance is slowly disappearing because their habitat is getting narrower. Some species of them have never even been seen again. This bird was once considered a myth, and now, if not protected, they could really become a legend. If you just found out about this fact, comment, "Heaven must live on."